Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68. Hope everybody's doing well. Got a brand new lock here. It's a Kryptonite Schlage KS22 1CO. I'll focus in, you guys can see the specs. I've never picked one of these, but I hear they can be a terror due to the high spring pressure. What's interesting here, it says it's a registered trade. Kryptonite is a registered trademark of Ingersoll, made in Taiwan. So let's have a look at it. Actually, I think what I want to do, look at this beast. Wow, what a beauty. I'm wondering if I want to maybe try with the leashy on this one. KS22. See if I have my leashy here. And prepared as always. So there's the SC4, guys. I think my only worry here, again, I didn't even try the key. I was just trying to avoid the key for a sec. But if this is heavy spring-loaded core, I'm not sure how well this is going to go in terms of maybe damaging the leashy, but let's give it a shot anyway. I think it's maybe only pinned to 5, so let's give it a shot. Oh, that's tight, boy. Pin number 2, 3 for a click, and I gotta say, I'm pretty. Oh, there we go. I was able to get it, guys. Wow, I'm actually a little bit surprised. Okay, let's pull this thing apart. Pull it apart. Let's see what we got. Star head here. This thing's got some good weight to it. Oh yeah, I like that. Cord just comes right out. And check that out. It's got a bypass wafer. I don't know if I've ever seen a bypass wafer in a Schlage. That's interesting. We could use the tool, or we could, oh, maybe not. It's perfect timing. Man. That's copper letting me know that either I've got to have either a delivery or something going on. Want to be careful here with this. Try to keep everything in order. Especially the little pin. Should be a little spring in here. There's a little spring, and man, this is not a regular, this is heavy. Really heavy duty. Alright, let's see if things are settling down upstairs. It's just me and Copper home, so it's definitely got to be some sort of either delivery or let's try this here. Yeah, it's pinned to 5. Well, you know what that means, right? So we're pinned to 5. You can see that there. One. I guess I'm assuming it's standard pins, yeah. Nothing else there. And can we be safe in thinking that we're dealing with standard pins here as well? I gotta tell you, I'm glad that surprised but glad that didn't take long, because the tension was really heavy on that leashy. Yeah, look at that. Are those copper springs ever tight? The pins are just flying out of here. That one looks a little rough. Yeah. All standard pins, guys. I think we're gonna make some changes here. I think we're gonna make some changes. Let's get that 6th pin all standard. So that's it, guys. That's a leashy. There's the key. Let's have a look. Oh, this one's actually stamped, so you can see the bidding 64784, and patience, practice, perseverance, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video on this KS22 Kryptonite. We're going to bring this back 6 pins. I'm going to get rid of these standard drivers. Let's see if I can terrorize myself a little bit. Stay well. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.